Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix black screen on Roblox 2025. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone. Over here, tap on the Wi-Fi section. After that, check your internet connection. Then, make sure you are connected to a strong network, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, open the App Store. Over here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to check for available updates. If you see Roblox listed, tap on Update. Next, go back to Settings. Over here, tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. After that, search for Roblox and tap on it. Then tap on Offload App. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. Hold down the power button, slide to turn off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your phone back on. So that's basically how you can fix black screen on Roblox 2025. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.